Good. I don't seem able to get it to line up. So this is the one that I just printed. Compared to the one down there, this actually fits. It did a minute ago. See? Huh? That's pretty good. I think, is that one alright? Yeah, that one's okay. See, look, it fits. So it's my gluing of this. And I think that is why that one back there, if you can see it, was abandoned. Okay. I've printed this now 4 times. This one, I didn't think I did a bad job gluing it, but it doesn't fit. This one, I gave a little test fit, and it does fit. Because I haven't sanded it. So what I did was, I just gave it a little tiny light sand in here, just to rough it up a little bit, but that's it. So I'm going to glue it with all this crap on it. This is one of my other prints. This ran out of filament. I'm going to glue this with that. I'll clamp it. I'll leave it alone. Then glue it on here, and then I'll be happy. Whoops. You're dripping shit everywhere. Okay. So you have time with this. You don't have to instantly get it correct like you super glue. Oh, that's nice. I'm going to clamp this. Shit, it slides all over the place. Oh, that's going to make it hard. Oh no. Fuck, it slides off. Ah! Shit. Oh no, it's cut capital short.
Yeah. Shit. I'm glad I wore the gloves, but shit, this isn't straight. I'm very determined for this one to work. I just want a round dome. I just want it to be round. Maybe once that's like semi-firm, I'll actually glue it to this thing. So put a little epoxy there. Maybe I should just edit this, make it look like I'm doing really well. Okay, I think that's firmed up a bit. It can't bend. Can't bend it. Ooh, a little snotty. Okay. I'm turning back now. Look at it. Use your fingers of this. Over there. Over there. Okay. Okay. Important thing. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Fill it up. Maybe you'll have a straight dome. Maybe I won't. Okay. I think I'm happy with it. That's pretty nice, isn't it? Yes. Yes. That's not terrible. The camera looks terrible. That's not bad. Yes. I think it's all coming together. I think this will be my first straight dome. Ish. Straight-ish. Wouldn't say it was perfect. Right. Okay. That. I'm not going to fuck with it. Stop it. You get a bit of carpet in it, but that's alright. It's not really meeting in the... These bits are sort of... Maybe that's the trick. Okay, we'll leave it alone.
Okay, this is the other one. I'm sure someone with better skill than me could have easily made this a usable dome. I mean, now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't look so terrible, but tell you what, it's these corners. I just couldn't fix it. That green stuff was a terrible idea. Don't do that. I just couldn't get this fixed. I didn't, like, once the panels are on, it doesn't look so bad, but you stand this close, you look at it and you think, wow, what a shit job. And You look at it and you think, wow, that's very fixable, but I just couldn't figure it out. All of this got sanded so much that I actually broke through the you know, the walls, and I think I had 4 or 5 walls. Look at that. Look at that. I did so much carving of all this trying to get it right, because the gluing here was so bad, because it was super glue, so I had to do it very, you know, very quickly. And they just ended up being so out of whack that when I put this on, I was assuming that the reason why this didn't go on properly is because these were out of whack. But now I'm thinking, I probably just did a terrible job of gluing this thing together. And so maybe if I had done what I did just then, it would have been usable. But when you put the panels on, you really can see that they just don't fit properly.